So the initial idea was to go to a place called Sadar Bazar. It's a very crowded wholesale market, but on the way I had so many interesting things happening, so I decided to take the camera out, set it up, and go for it and make a video for you. So what happens today is it's fairly sunny. We still have about 4 hours until sunset, so the light is kind of harsh, and to take care of that I will use my flash to balance things out. The flash that I'm using, I don't even want to show the name. I'm not sponsored or anything. It's just out of convenience. This is the smallest flash that I can find that I can carry around with me and that provides decent results. So first thing first, seeing the flash, see that it's working. I will set the camera to, let's say, f13 and ISO 200. Shutter speed will be 250 because I'll be flashing out. It will help me to get sharper image. And let's see what's happening. Are we flashing already? No man, thank you. I was just trying the flash. So the rickshaw drivers are fascinating subjects to photograph, but I don't want to jump on any one of them. No man, taking photos. So I think today I will focus less on layers and more on like sort of portraiture. We'll look for interesting characters and try to capture them with the flash. I do like the lemons and the umbrella, but so I think I'll actually go to the sunny side. Up here. I do like that photo. Wow. So a few things about how to photograph with flash outside during daytime. The first thing that you need to do, you need to set your exposure on your camera. You want to have a correct exposure on your camera. And what you do with the flash, you just add extra light to places that are dark or to places that you want to brighten up a little bit. And you can play with that. You can darken out your exposure on a camera, and then when you flash on a certain subject, that subject will be brighter than anything else. That makes your object pop. So that's pretty much it. Just remember to use manual mode on your camera so your exposure doesn't jump too much. And that's it. The flash that I'm using, it's a manual flash, so as I'm closer to the subject, I need to reduce its power. As I'm getting further away, I need to add more power. So it's kind of consistent play for me. I want to clap this guy. Oh. See, that my exposure was too dark, and the power of the flash was not enough to. So easy. He is such a good eyes. Thank you. Hello. Now we're getting closer. What are you doing? Tobacco?
Yes.
Not happening.
Well.
Yes?
Very nice.
Yeah, last one. So I'm sure it's good. Why it's all the time you are outside? Oh,
Very nice. Super.
that one is good now.
Yes.
You got. Huh? How are you, man?
Hi.
You good?
This is my friend Sare.
Huh?
My friend.
No. Just.
Water.
Huh? Thank you. Nice people. Chai, water, everything is offered. I'm used this place to be packed. Not sure where all the people are. Or it's the wrong day, but it's kind of Wednesday afternoon. I do like this guy. Oh. Ah, you jump. So this is the busiest corner. Always something. So messy here. Just
तो पड़ता है खुला हुआ है कि नहीं पता नहीं
ah, Opa. Everywhere you go, danger.
मेट्रो पी जा रही है मेट्रो
He had this face. Oh my god.
नो फोटो खींचो
I know. Perfect.
दिखाओ फेस ही नहीं आया
Yeah, no face. Face this one.
ओ
6
माय
hands.
गॉड
One picture with the face. Yes, now we have face.
आई लव यू
You love yourself.
थैंक यू सभी
Well, we have one cliche shot. Congratulations.
Sir,
Yes.
sale item.
Huh?
My shop cosmetic jewelry.
I'm not interested, man.
And if it
Sorry, man. Here to take photos, no business, no shopping.
Cosmetics. And video cosmetics wholesale.
Video cosmetics?
Okay.
देखिए दिख रही है अपनी फोटो
Huh? Yes, yes, you know, your video, photo, everything happening now.
ए मैं क्यों मार करने की चल
Look,
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
fine, thank you. I do like this series. Shot through the glass inside of the tuk-tuk. I might do some more of this. I do. I really, really like the look of that.
Hello.
Oops.
Sir, one pixel select.
No. Him? Him?
Where you from?
I'm from Israel.
Israel.
Yes.
Israel. Okay.
Okay. Your friend. Say good.
Old pigs.
All pigs together.
You need pigs.
No, no.
Old pigs.
No, no, just pigs.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Okay.